Hi guys, Aniq here.
Hi guys, Ellie here.
Welcome to
K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have two items from Logitech.
So both of them are here.
They're both the same items. There are the new Logitech Combo Touch for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch and the iPad Pro 11.11 inch.
So you guys can see this is like the Apple Folio by Logitech. So it has the keyboard, the mouse pad, and the iPad itself. So you guys can see there. So you guys can see the front. That's the front of it.
So this is the competitor against the Apple Magic Keyboard.
And this one here is Apple certified, so the mouse and everything will work perfectly fine with it'll connect perfectly fine with like the 3 dots here. Okay, so now let's open it. Ali, you can open up the bigger one. Let's take them out. There's something in the box on the bottom. It's the same for both of them. So let me open only one. Okay. So in both of them comes this paper which shows you how to put it in and manual thing. Put these back. So you guys can see this is the covers. So on the back you guys can see camera hole here and it's all gray, some kind of gray like cloth. You can see. It's the back, and this is like the other side, so it's just the same
and
thing.
also at the back there's this flips with the angles, like so.
Flips, so you can
So it's not like the Magic Folio where it's floating, and you can keep it on your lap or anything.
This one's going to be sitting on the ground, so.
Yeah.
Let's see, so you can take off the cover itself, and the keyboard's right here, you guys can see. So this is where the iPad goes, power buttons here, speakers, and then this is where it connects to the keyboard. You can put your Apple Pencil here and ports on the bottom.
So this is one thing which the Magic Folio doesn't have, that it has like a case around it for some protection.
Yep, so.
It can detach and attach.
So first, let's go ahead and put on the 11-inch iPad Pro. So you guys can see this is the 11-inch iPad Pro from 2018. You guys can see it. Okay, so now let's put this in. After we take out this.
So it's just a small little plastic piece you take off.
Okay, so here are the 3 dots which are going to connect to the iPad. This in.
And on top over here are the volume buttons, which have plus and minus on it.
Yep.
So now I'm gonna attach.
So you guys can see now that this one is in. It fits perfectly well and it's really like in there. Power buttons here, they work. And then the volume buttons, this is the power button. Then up here you can attach the Apple Pencil, you guys can see that. You can just like attach it there. Now it'll be with your iPad. And then we can also, if we want to use the keyboard, we can then connect the keyboard to this like so. Flip up the stand and now you can use the keyboard.
Okay, so this is how it looks with the 12.9 inch, the brand new one. So this is how it looks. The top has the Apple Pencil. And let's open it up, and then like so.
Over here on the keyboard, you can see the keyboard's not a Bluetooth keyboard. It has to be connected. So over here, you guys can see this is the touchpad, and then over here there's a lock button, volume buttons, fast forward, pause, back, and then brightness buttons, a screen keyboard and a search button, and then you guys can see. So it has a whole bunch of other buttons up there which you can use.
And it also has a touchpad, and with it,
you guys can see here that if I move this around, you can actually see the mouse over here. Then if I open it up, it actually works like that. And then if I click the lock button,
there we go.
It'll bring me to the lock screen. It just closes the iPad.
Okay.
Like so. You guys see? Okay, so you guys can see this one. This one has a little bit more features as compared to the Magic Folio. You guys can go check that video out. So that one has like the floating stand, which actually like I feel like is better than like the non floating one where it goes on the floor, because then you could just like keep the iPad in your lap and still keep on typing and whatever.
Yeah.
Well, on this, you need to have a flat surface. So like, let's say you're on a bus or something, you can't just like keep this in your lap and do it. That would be a little harder.
So overall, I think it's a really nice keyboard and all.
So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
Remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.